Hello viewer, welcome to the YouTube channel FahadYounas. Today I will discuss the topic understanding the plant kingdom. What is Plantae? Plantae is a kingdom of eukaryotic multicellular organisms. It includes land plants, green algae, red algae, and glucophyte algae. The plants are divided into non-vascular, seedless, vascular, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. Division Bryophyta. Bryophyta are non-vascular plants. They do not have true roots, stems, and leaves. The life cycle of bryophytes alternates between haploid and diploid generations. Division Pteridophyta. Division Pteridophyta includes ferns and their alleles. They reproduce through spores and have vascular tissues. They are important for soil conservation, ornamental purposes, and medicinal value. Divian coniferophyta. Coniferophyta are cone-bearing trees and shrubs. They are evergreen and have needle-like leaves. They are found in temperate and cold regions. Division Angiospermophyta. Angiospermophyta is the largest and more diverse division of the plant kingdom. They produce flowers and fruits, which are important for reproduction and dispersal of seeds. They are classified into two classes, monocotyledonei and dicotyledonei. Classification of Plantae. The Plantae kingdom, also known as plants, is one of the five major kingdoms of living organisms. It includes a wide variety of organisms that are primarily multicellular, photosynthetic, and autotrophic, able to produce their own food through photosynthesis. Here's a basic classification of Plantae. Non-vascular plants, Bryophytes. These are the simplest and most primitive plants. They lack vascular tissues, xylem and phloem, for transporting water and nutrients. Examples include mosses, liverworts, and hornworts. Vascular plants. These are more advanced than more non-vascular plants and have specialized tissues for the transport of water and nutrient. Vascular plants are further divided into two main groups. Seedless vascular plant. Seedless vascular plant. These plants reproduce by spores and do not produce seeds. Examples include ferns, horsetails, and clubmosses. Seed producing vascular plants. These groups include plants that produce seeds which are protective structures for embryonic plant. These producing vascular plants can be further divided into two subgroups, gymnosperm and angiosperm. Gymnosperm, these are plants with naked seeds, seeds not enclosed within a fruit. Examples include conifers like pine, spores, and cedar. Angiosperm, these are flowering plants with seed enclosed within a fruit. Angiosperm are the most diverse and widespread group of plants and include trees, shrubs, herbs, and most crop plants. Gymnosperms and angiosperms. Gymnosperm, as mentioned earlier, gymnosperms are a subgroup of seed-producing vascular plants. They are often classified separately because of their unique characteristics. Angiosperms. These are most diverse and dominant group of plant on Earth. They are further classified into two main groups, monocots and dicots. Monocots, these are plants with on one cotyledon seed leaf in their embryo. Monocots typically have parallel leaf vines, floral pods in multiples of tree. Three are secreted vascular bundles in their stems. Examples include grasses, lilies, and orchids. Dicots. These are plants with true cotyledons in with embryo. Dicot typically have reticulate leaf veins, floral parts in multiples of 4 or 5, and a ring of vascular bundles in their stems. Example include most trees, vegetables, and many flowering plants. Specialized plant types. Within the main groups, there are many specialized types of plants, such as aquatic plants, succulent, carnivorous plants, and parasitic plants, which have adapted to specific ecological niche and exhibit unique characteristics. This is a simplified classification of the Plantae kingdom. The Plantae kingdom is incredibly diverse with over 300,000 known species, and ongoing research may lead to further refinements in classification. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the classification of Plantae and its various divisions. We appreciate your support for FahadYounas channel. Please consider sharing, liking, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for sharing and watching my video.